Are we live? Are we live? Just a sec, I'll check. Are we live? Yeah, we are live. Hold on. Okay. Alright. Hello everyone and welcome back to the stream. If you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm trying to build a SaaS and this is day 27 of that. So if you enjoy the stream, do consider subscribing to the channel and drop a like. So let's get started now. So first I need to start my Docker. I need to start my Docker first. Alright. Docker engine is starting. Okay. Docker engine has started and then I need to start my command prompt. Ricky 2004. Hi. Hello Ricky. Welcome to the stream. How are you? So here we have Docker ps dash a Docker start Redis server. Ayn Khan. Vishikit खाओगे? welcome to the stream, Ayn Khan. Docker ps dash a up 10 seconds ago. Okay, so now if I go here, Ricky, I'm good, sir. How are you? I'm good, Ricky. Samula, hello Samula, welcome to the stream. Do you suggest any best and useful extension in VS Code? If you are using React, go for React boilerplate. That's what I usually prefer. That's it. So cd backend npm run dev. I wanted to do remote work. Is it good or not? Yes, remote work is good. Okay, so we have cd frontend. No, I mean cd backend npm run worker dev. Zia Islam. Hello Zia, welcome to the stream. How much time will your product take to complete? Actually, development part is almost done, but right now I cannot launch it because I need my business to be registered because we are using the payout feature. So for that, I need my business to be registered. CD frontend. Or bhai, was just waiting for a stream. Hello Hidden Handle, welcome to the stream. Thanks man, thanks a lot for waiting. And Khan, hello Abhishek, welcome to the stream. Okay, Ayan. आज का क्या एजेंडा है? जस्ट अ सेक, I'll share the agenda for today. cd frontend npm fine. Now if we go here and if I see localhost 3000, after dev, then what will you do on daily stream? After development, like I will keep learning new technology. Like once development part for this is done, then like I will be learning deep learning after this, or maybe we'll get into production based backend. Like whatever I'm learning, I'll be showing you guys what I'm doing. Okay, Kushi, hi. Can I build a productivity app? Yes, you can. Test user gmail.com. Test user 2. user2@gmail.com. user2. Welcome to backend. What the hell is going on? Who's this? Test user2@gmail.com. Test user2 login. But what is happening? Next.js, gmail.com, STR2, login, my organization 401, unauthorized, wow, pg admin. Hi, Type Fusion 2. Hi, Abhishek Bhai. Hello, Type Fusion 2. Welcome to the stream. I think I can build anything, but I think competition is too high in market and no one will take the product. So I'm a bit hesitant. Build like if your product fails in worst case scenario, you will have a learning how to build an app. Then in future with this learning you can build something else in future. Okay. So come here. Backend. PM run developer. PM. So what is the issue going on? Next.js never fails to disappoint. Okay. Tyler, what's up अभिषेक लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी हेलो टाइलर वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम हाउ आर यू फ्यूजन भाई कैसे मैं ठीक हूँ तुम कैसे हो टैप फ्यूजन चलो आज कुबरनेट्स विथ यू आफ्टर फिनिशिंग टीसीपी आईपी रिवीजन दैट्स नाइस हिडन हैंडल भाई ज़रूरी है कि अगर बीटेक करके अनएम्प्लॉयड हो रहे हैं तो मैं भी अनएम्प्लॉयड ही रहूँगा नहीं ऐसा नहीं है इफ़ यू हैव स्किल्स देन you know like you will get a job but you have to learn how to showcase your skills properly. Test user 10 on the rate gmail.com. User 11. Test user 11. Organization message unauthorized. Backend src modules. I think we messed up in here. Prisma modules, backend frontend, app, dashboard, layout, theme provider, production route. Okay, let's do one thing. Put this above protected route. Put this here and put this here. Okay. Hidden handler, bro. Didn't send the link basically of ML, but from others or deploy. Okay, nice. There are many things in MERN stacks, so are we supposed to remember all the things? We forget with time. Any tips? It's all about practice. Don't try to mug up things. Try to understand the flow. Test user 2 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 2. Seriously, man. What the fuck is going on here? Just a sec. Create a new account. Create a new account. Test user 15. Test user 15 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 15. Register. We registered. Okay. If I log out, now if I go here, test user 2 at the rate gmail.com, test user to login. Something is wrong with login here. Okay. Okay. If we go here, dashboard. Okay. So what is going on with login part? Modules here. Kushi check auth code. Okay. Hello bro. Hello focus dev. Welcome to the stream. VS code. Okay. कैसे हो? Code भाई जियो Islam. I want to. What are you using in your product for state management context API Redux? I'm using Redux. Vansh, hello Vansh, hello Vansh, welcome to the stream. I want to pursue MCA for next 2 years. Which laptop you recommend for better for coding and overall, please, bro? What's your budget? अभिषेक भाई आप बर्क क्या बारकरा कोडर हो समझा भाई बरका कोडर पता नहीं भाई मैक हाय ब्रो हेलो अंजलि वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम फाइन go to backend src modules auth service login user find unique okay invalid credential is okay generate token okay so I think backend is absolutely fine if we go here 50k to 60k then you can go for HP laptop 15x the laptop that I am using Bakra is in goat okay got it Bakra okay fine Bakra is your goat got it Joker Phoenix hello Abhi bro hello Joker Phoenix welcome back to the stream 50 to 60k yeah you can go for HP laptop 15x अंजलि कुमार HTML सीखूं पहले या जावा पहले जावा सीखो उसमें ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा What's this? So if I go here auth login user yeah, going here. See login is working yeah I think we got the issue front end app auth login this is my login page and if we go to login form components forms login form okay on submit what the hell is this like seriously hold on if we go here yeah I think here is the issue I go here go to github repositories ब्रो आपका कौन सा लैपटॉप है HP लैपटॉप 15x also how do you secure these app from cyber attack like first is we have to write good code like for authentication authorization we are using JSON web token and for DDoS attacks we'll use rate limiting and there are many more things that we have to implement can you spell again full name of HP laptop 15x I don't know why these days everyone in the chat section is ignoring me without any reason. I said hi and he's ignoring me. Who is ignoring you? Tap Fusion, Pravesh. What are we doing today? First, we need to implement like there's this a small bug in the login part. We are trying to fix that. Okay, but first I need to go to commits. So we have this. Go here. This is my login form. Login form. Exactly. This is what we made mistake here. So we have this now. Form here. And if I close this restart my server. Restart this. npm run dev. And I restart this. Localhost 3000. Register. Now if I go to login, test user 2 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 2 login. Verifying. Now we are here. Correct. Now it is working. Okay. Do you publish your repo? Yeah, my code is open sourced. Thank you, bro. Thank you for suggestion. Thanks. Welcome, Vanshit Shah. Sigma code for you. Why are you not using TanStack query in front end? Because I'm more familiar and comfortable with, um, like all the alternatives of TanStack query. Tab Fusion, focus by. Yup, Tab Fusion. Bro, beat up, uh, आप बीटेक कौन से कॉलेज से की हो सिक्किम मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी खुशी सी लैंग्वेज फर्स्ट ऑलवेज यू विल गेट फंडामेंटल नॉलेज ओके hello brother hello Tariq Sheikh welcome to the stream how are you so we have this organization everything is fine here okay so now if I open my Excel draw guys I'm audible do let me know if I'm audible or not so yeah we are audible so now this is done first there is an issue with the payment part basically in my components just a sec there we have components booking this is my booking page okay and then we have components public booking page components and booking form so here we are getting this and public booking create order fine then we have order amount and all of these things so in backend first we need to go to src modules booking service we have this here okay Devesh, bro, what are we making today? We are continuing working on the appointment booking SaaS, and we are fixing the bug in the payment page. आपका SaaS कहाँ तक complete हुआ है? What features do your SaaS have? Can you show? Yeah, sure. We have made our app. We have dark mode, light mode enabled. Organization creation is done. Then service creation is done. Service is also done, then availability part is done, all these things are working now. Payout features are implemented, like payout from the bank side we have to implement, but here we have done this, then integration is done. And now if we go to the booking page, localhost slash booking, and here if I go to this page, here we are able to see the booking part, and here are few bugs that we need to fix. How to become HTML developer and get three okay okay come on what are we doing today we are implementing we are fixing the bug in the payment feature, and then we have to make the authentication stronger, so that's the main goal for today. Okay, so now what is happening here in the booking service, create booking, and in here part backend in front end part in my Redux and in my lib API public booking. In the public booking part, we're using create order payment. Okay, create order, and here also in my backend src modules payment have this, and here we are doing this. Create auto service. Okay. Create. Okay. Price service dot price. Akash, bro, how you are going to scale WebSockets when two concurrent user connect to your website? Like for scaling, we are going to, non-blocking IO. That's the concept of Node.js that we are going to use. Like using that, we can scale easily. हेलो ब्रो व्हाट्सअप हेलो आर्यन प्ले वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम टैग फ्यूजन भाई ऐसा ही फोकस्ड रहो और सबको गाइड करो थैंक्स टैग फ्यूजन भाई मुझे बस आपसे ये गेम्स बनाना जितना कोडिंग आ जाए बस इतना चाहिए कितना टाइम लग जाएगा सी गेम बनाना एक्चुअली मुझे भी नहीं आता है आई डोंट नो हाउ टू बिल्ड गेम्स आई नेवर बिल्ड गेम बिफोर ER Shiva. Hello ER Shiva, welcome to the stream. You're working or in college? I used to work, I had a job, I left my job. So yeah. Why I can't message you on Twitter? I don't know. This is for background task, I guess. Okay. So what is happening here is first let's see the error. See now here, for example, dental checkup is there, right? And if someone books appointment, then if someone comes here, see the payment is 500, right? Payment is 500. Now if we go to confirm and pay secure page, when this page opens, see it becomes 540. So we have to fix this part. So it becomes 540. So first, what are we doing here in public booking.ts booking service part components public booking page component and booking form. We come here and here what we do is first we create the order. So when the order is created, where is it? Yeah, create order. This we are using public booking dot create order. So we're going to create order part, right? So here we are create order part. Okay. Now go here payments dot route, create order and create order controller. Create order controller. Create order controller, right? So create order service. So we go to this create booking form payment route controller. Yeah, we are going here. So service find unique. We are getting the service and include the organization. Then throw EP. Okay. Then start end. Okay. Then existing booking. Okay. Okay. Existing lock. Fine. Event loop and non-blocking IO. These two concepts. So what's the progress coming after 2 days? We have implemented the dark mode in our SaaS. We have implemented dark mode and we have fixed some few bugs. Right now we are fixing the payment bug right now. विवेक भैया आपने ये SaaS 2 months में कंप्लीट हो जाता है अगर आप लाइव ना करते और सुबह शाम कोडिंग ही करते ओनली तो सी मैं सुबह शाम कोडिंग नहीं कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि लाइक मेरे और भी काम रहते हैं लाइक टेकिंग फॉर वन ऑन वन कॉल्स और अगर कोई फ्रीलांसिंग काम रहता है तो वो भी लेना पड़ता है gaming why did you not use Nest.js because I don't know how to use Nest.js and I'm familiar with Express.js so yeah Apollo coding is fun started learning 4 months ago that's nice Apollo हेलो भैया हेलो सोशल बटरफ्लाई वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम विवेक भैया ये टैप फ्यूजन इतनी बेकार बात है कि क्या क्या हुआ टैप फ्यूजन क्या बोला आकाश एंड नोट जेएस इज सिंगल थ्रेडेड had better if you had chose the language which support multi-threaded actually the see we can go it's all about how you use it I know Next.js is single threaded but the thing is that with the non-blocking IO and event driven architecture we can actually scale it to even support million users if you know how to do it तारिक शेख ट्विटर पे मैसेज का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है हियर वेयर आई कनेक्ट विथ यू यू कैन डीएम मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम वन ऑन वन कॉल्स मीन्स गाइडिंग अदर्स भैया या श्योर एग्जैक्टली so we have this but the thing is we are doing this one right and then we go to the booking part hold on this order is getting created this one. Exactly, we got the issue. Create on a service. Yeah. See, here we don't need to add this platform fee plan. Here we don't need to add that because if we add it here, we are charging it from the user. We don't need that here. So for now, we don't need this logic. We don't need this logic, right? And then we have here, okay. Just please, just make it price. We don't need this. And here make it price. Service.price actually. Service.price. We have this order result, order price. Platform fee, total amount not required. We have this price. We have here order dot price. We have here service dot price and platform fee and total amount. Now it is not required. Yep. And now if we come here, if we refresh it, and if we go here and if I select this 12 o'clock, we have this, we have this, and confirm and pay, we should see 500 only. Yeah, now we are getting 500. Okay, yes, exit. Okay, Vivek, अरे नहीं, ये हमेशा स्ट्रीम आके बस खाने और आपको ऑल दी बेस्ट बोलने आता है. Oh, that's fine. That's all right. Gaming escape database. We are using Prisma. Akshat Rathor, can you explain how you are going to scale? Yeah, sure. Red Brand, hi. Tariq, do we have any WhatsApp group or you can guide me on call? Yeah, you can DM me on Instagram and then we can book a call if you are interested. Hello Tantai, welcome to the stream. How to maintain structure? I usually get confused when the project becomes long. Basically, what I do is I follow this coding structure. If you just a sec, I'll show. To make the code scalable and clean, I usually follow this architecture, which is called we break the entire code base into controller, service, and repository layer, and then if there are any independent services like caching with Redis or BullMQ with for messaging queues, then we create different folders for that. That's what how I like we create middlewares, we create the route, then we create the controller, then service, then repository. That's how we write code for scalable systems. Okay, and where is it? Akshat, can you explain how you can? Yeah, see, for scaling with Node.js, if you go to here, scaling, where is that? Non-blocking IO in Node.js and how it scales to millions users. If you read this article, here you will actually see how you can actually scale a Node.js application to support millions of users at the same time. Understanding nodes. See, first we for horizontal scaling with clustering, we can use the concept of clustering. Then we have stateless architecture, load balancing, all these things we have to go through, and that comes. See, I know that with Node.js we are able to scale, right? So that is the main thing, and the main architecture that we need to understand is non-blocking IO in Node.js. That's it. If you understand this one, we can scale it. Allows you to handle multiple operations simultaneously without working for each one to finish before moving to the next task. Basically, once I require, for example, if you're working on one particular task, this does not get blocked with this non-blocking architecture. Even though Node.js is single-threaded, it can perform multiple tasks at the same time because of this non-blocking architecture. So using this, we can scale to millions of users. Okay. आदि धोरे, हेलो हेलो आदि। आयन खान, भाई आईआईटी क्यों नहीं गए? मैंने एक्चुअली जेई मेंस ही नहीं दिया था मेरा, लाइक इनिशियली आई डिड नॉट वांटेड टू डू बीटेक आल्सो। आदित्य, और कितना डे लगेगा? एक्चुअली डेवलपमेंट पार्ट इज डन ओनली, बट नाउ वी नीड टू implement the payout part. We have to register the business, and it takes time. Non-blocking IO is for reading file, not for concurrent. See, concurrency also it can go for. See, we can actually use messaging queues if we want to, like in different, like, what we can do is to implement WebSockets for millions of users. What we can do is, like, in different instances we can get all these, what is that called, like in different instances we can create all these messaging queues where all the operations are handled in the background for each user, something like that. Okay, Anirudh, fix your mic brother, बीच में आवाज जा रही है बार बार. Can you hear me guys? भाई ना आओ अब से चैट में आपकी, क्या अगर आपको बुरा लग रहा है, सॉरी भाई. यू सी, मेरे को कोई बुरा बात का बुरा नहीं लगा टाइप फ्यूजन, मैंने तो कुछ बोला भी नहीं. तारिक शेख, कैन यू प्लीज टेल हाउ अबाउट, can you please tell how about you're getting freelancing clients and how do you contribute? I don't contribute to open source. I have never contributed to open source, and I get freelancing clients, using my own network, like telling my friends, families, and most of the clients I get from, get from that only. I never use Upwork or Fiverr. And Khan. Okay, Akash, how it will help your SaaS? Actually, it's a B2B SaaS, so we might not need millions of user scaling because it's a B2B SaaS. Like at max, like from the customer side we can get traffic, but from business side it will not be that, like we need to handle tens of 20 or 30 million requests at one particular second. That scaling for this B2B SaaS is not required. But if we are building something like a social media application, then we have to think about scaling in that way. Okay. Tash, bro, you need good quality real-time communication. Background task is not going to help for real-time. Okay, विवेक, भाई सही तो बोला मैंने, आप खुद बताओ ये बंदा खाना और ऑल द बेस्ट बोलने के अलावा और कोई बात चैट में क्या दिक्कत है अगर वो ऑल द बेस्ट के ही बात कर रहा है? आई डोंट हैव एनी इशू विथ हिम, लाइक ही इज हैविंग फन. I like talking to him in the chat, so I don't see any issue. Fine, we have this. Okay, so payment part is done. Now we have to improve the, what is that? Yeah, payment part is done. Now we have to make the authentication stronger, implement refresh token logic, forget password logic, and reset password logic. All right. Okay, so today it's a backend heavy task. Okay. Now guys, do you know even which protocol is used for real-time web communication? WebRTC. And we have this src module, and here we need an auth part, auth controller. We have this auth controller, right? So now if we come here, I need to implement a refresh token logic. Okay. Okay, fine. Now if we go here, auth controller, this is my login, and this is my register, right? So now if we go to auth service part, register user, existing user, okay, we're hashing the password, all right. Then we have this, we have to store refresh token as well. Akash Rathor, WebRTC's application protocol I'm using about the transport protocol for real time. For real time, I think it is either I'm not sure, maybe I'm wrong. UDP, maybe UDP is used. I'm not sure. सायोन राणा, अच्छा सर, मैं क्या सी प्लस प्लस विद डी एस ए सीखूँ या जावा विद डी एस ए? गो विद जावा विद डी एस ए. टाइप फ्यूजन, सॉरी अभिषेक भाई. टाइप फ्यूजन देयर इज नथिंग टू बी सॉरी अबाउट. इट्स ऑल राइट. लाइक मुझे तो कुछ बात का बुरा लगा ही नहीं. ओके, hashed password, adding hash password token, we are generating the token. All right, so when we are generating the token, what are we doing? We are generating the token. This is the access token. We also need the refresh token, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Verify token. Okay. Login user. Akshat, bro, what do you know about UTP? Uh, like when I was in college in my networking class, we had a class on UDP. UDP, as far as I know, is that it breaks a big data into smaller packets and then it throws that packet between the receiver and the sender. And in each packet, there's an address for the next packet and the previous packet. That's all I know. UDP doesn't guarantee the packet is delivered. Actually, as far as I can remember, in UDP we break the entire packet into smaller packets, and each small packet has a receiver's address and the sender's address. For example, like I think, for example, if this is a big data, right? Now we break into smaller chunks, smaller chunks. We break into smaller chunks, and then these we get individual packets here. These are my individual packets. So this packet will have the address of the sender, like where it needs to go, sender's address, and then sender's address and the receiver's. This will be actually receiver's address. This will be receiver address, and this will be sender's address. So I think by this protocol, we make sure that the data is not mismatched. I think this is the gist of it. I'm not sure because I did not go in detail about it, but I think this is the like as far as I can remember. Okay. Login user. We have login user here. We're getting this. Now we need to implement refresh token. Okay. But due to network congestion, there might be chance that some packets are not delivered. What about the remaining packets? I don't know, man. Like we have to research about this because I studied it too, like way years back in 2022, and since then I did not get into networking that much. Shantanu Ajawat. Hello, Shantanu. Welcome to the stream. At what time a fresher can start doing freelancing? What do you recommend? Gain some experience in a job or without? See, you can do freelancing, but the main problem is as a fresher, it becomes very difficult to get a first project because I got my first project through my own network. I never got project through Upwork or Fiverr. Okay, Waleed, भाई networking important है web dev के लिए. Like see, networking you don't have to go in depth. See, in web dev we understand, like in web dev our goal is to build something with the existing technologies, right? Like for example, you need to understand what is http, https. Then when you get into WebRTC, like when you get into real time, you need to understand WebRTC. But if you want to know the architecture, for example, if you want to build something that can be used by other web developers, then you have to go into it deeply. So you're using WebRTC, that heart of your SaaS. We are not using WebRTC till now. We have not implemented WebRTC till now because right now this is the MVP version. We have not used any real Socket.io or anything. In the social media application, we implemented Socket.io, but till now I have not implemented Socket.io. Tab Fusion, sorry Abhishek bhai. Tab Fusion, thanks for the super chat, but it's okay, brother. Like you don't have to say sorry. It's all right. UTP no guarantee delivery, no order faster. Okay. TCP guarantee delivery order packet with error checking slower. Yep. TCP and UTP. Yeah, I remember now. In my networking class, we had a session on TCP and UTP. There, we got this. And which protocol has handshake? Something like handshake part. Like some of this has some handshake, something related to handshake. I'm not sure. Okay. Akshat. So how meeting are going to happen? Actually, what we are doing for meeting part, what I'll show you. What is happening is that we have linked Google Calendar. So with Google Calendar only link will be generated. With Google Calendar link will be generated, and that link will be shared with the customer's email. Like just a schedule, we are scheduling the meeting, and the meeting link is going into the customer's email. That's what is happening. Okay, so fine. Now we have to implement refresh token logic. Okay, fine. TCP has three-way handshake. Yup. Okay, Waleed, यार नेटवर्क की बातें मत करो. मैं तंग हूँ, बकवास लगती है. Okay. TCP से के AC के ओके. Shriman Arjun. Hello Shriman, welcome to the stream. Okay, so we have this now. Now let's go to my best friend, Mr. GPT. This is my backend code. Tab Fusion. Shriman saying okay. टैब फ्यूजन भाई आज खाने में क्या बना आज मैंने पूड़ी और आलू की सब्जी खाई है पूड़ी और आलू की सब्जी दिस इज माय बैकएंड कोड देन वी हैव schema dot prisma my schema dot prisma I'll just show the schema dot prisma bro at scale knowing fundamental gives you super I agree actually this is true the more fundamentals are clear it gets very easy to scale in future I agree with you Akshat we have this schema dot prisma this is my auth service.ts this is my auth service.ts auth service auth schema this is my auth schema.ts लोकेश ब्रो मैंने एक गेम में एक रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया है F1 में फास्टेस्ट लैप ओ दैट्स नाइस लोकेश आई एम वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम लोकेश Sriman, any programmer never implemented a HTTP server in C will never understand networking. In my college MCA network class in 3 days, only in total course. Actually, Sriman, with this, when when I was doing my BTech, there we had computer networks, and there was, we had practicals also for computer networks, and there we had to build a web socket with a sender and a receiver with C language, and we I don't remember entirely. I know that we used something related to buffer and all those things. It was in my practical exam. विवेक भैया आपका गोल क्या था जब आप क्लास 12 में थे क्योंकि आपने बोला बीटेक वाज नॉट योर एम्बिशन या बीटेक वाज नेवर माय एम्बिशन आई वांटेड टू डू फिजिक्स रिसर्च इन फिजिक्स लोकेश कैसे हो ब्रो डिनर में क्या था हेलो लोकेश वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम डिनर में आज पूरी और आलू की सब्जी थी कैसे हो लोकेश सर्वर HTTP 1.0 1.1 और H2 2.0 डिनर में क्या था सर ओके पूरी और आलू की सब्जी you have used in practical class I think it was simple it was not HTTPS and 2.0 it was I think 1.0 I think I don't even remember properly गेमिंग मैंने भी वेब बनाया है लॉगिन साइन अप बचा है वैसे ये लॉगिन साइन अप वेब डालते हैं वैसे ये कैसे डालते हैं वो आपको फर्स्ट यू हैव टू बिल्ड द बैकएंड for login sign up you have to write the controllers services repository and everything then you have to hash the password create GWT token and then you have to connect your front end मस्त टैब फ्यूजन सवालों का कॉपी मत करो ओके लोकेश मस्त हूँ भाई मेरा भी सेम पूड़ी और आलू कड़ी अच्छा नाइस सो ओके auth schema now have checked RFC documentation for HTTP get method can accept body get method can accept body yup okay no get method can accept body okay we have this then auth route we have auth dot route dot ts auth dot route dot ts then auth dot controller auth dot controller dot ts auth dot controller.ts fine we have this now what we need make authentication stronger implement refresh token logic I want to make authentication oh just a sec I need to also give my just a sec there we have this middleware auth middleware this is my auth middleware this is my auth just where is it yeah here we go this is my auth dot middleware.ts. This is my auth.middleware.ts. Fine, this is my auth.middleware. Then we have, okay, श्वेतांक 12. भैया फ्रंट एंड कैसे बना रहे हो? फ्रंट एंड तो वी हैव यूज नेक्स्ट जेएस एंड रिएक्ट जेएस. फॉर स्टाइलिंग वी हैव यूज chat cn and tailwind css, and for the structure part we have used ai. Akshat Rathod, get request support body but we don't use it. Okay, Shriman, currently working on server side Ketor with Kotlin, love it. Okay, how is Kotlin? I have never used Kotlin. How is it? Shwetank, Bhaiya, what's this project about till now? How much it is completed? We have implemented the dark mode and light mode. Now we are making the authentication much more stronger. So that's what we are trying to do today. So now we have this, and just a sec. Where is my util? This we have here hash hash.ts. This is my hash.ts. Okay, my hash.ts, my jwt.ts, this is my jwt.ts. Fine. I want to make the authentication more stronger. Implement Abdul Goli. Hello, Abdul Ali Goli. Welcome to the stream. Hey bro, how you doing? I'm under the water. By the way, you're under the water. How? अच्छा, like फोन के पानी के नीचे से टेक्स्ट कर रही हो क्या? मीन चैट में रिप्लाई कर रही हो? On the other hand, much stronger. Implement refresh token logic as well. Good. Current auth is clean, but it's basic JWT auth right now. If a token is leaks, the attacker gets full access until expiry. No control, no revocation, no session tracking. Okay. Shriman, good more than Java when Kotlin as first class support for Android in 2019. From that time, I'm using it. Also, my seminar and project in Kotlin and Kitor only. Oh, nice. That's nice. Abdul Ali Goli, I saw your setup tour, but you didn't mention your PC specs. What are they? Like it is 16 GB RAM. My laptop has 16 GB RAM, 500 GB SSD, then Intel Core i5 processor, and Intel Iris Xe graphics card. Okay. Maybe he wants to stay under the weather. Okay, you are under the weather. Okay. I hope you get better. Abdul Ali Goli. Take comments later. It's actually fun watching you code. Okay, sure, man. Yeah, exactly. Even I was thinking that. Intel, same for gaming. Exactly. Yeah, same for gaming as well. Okay. So we have short-lived access token, short-lived refresh token. Okay. DB access session control. But this is not required in the last part. Short-lived 15 minutes used for API request, refresh token, longer 7 to 30 days used to generate new access token, strong security. Okay. Step 1, update Prisma schema. Here we need model refresh token. Add a refresh token model. Are you sure? User ID token expires at is revoked. Okay. Update JWT logic. Okay, access token, refresh token, fine. Generate access token and generate refresh token. Okay. Okay, fine. Then update auth service. Return both tokens. Login user. Password correct. Okay, access token, refresh token. Refresh token dot. Okay. Do same in register user. Okay, then create refresh token endpoint. Refresh. Okay. Controller refresh token handler. Then controller, here we have refresh token handler, refresh token. Okay. And const decoded verified token. Okay. Logout endpoint. Yup, we need a logout endpoint. Okay. Logout user. Fine. Okay. Okay. Logged out. Okay. Yes, my OBS is able to handle my Intel Core i5. The thing is, it has 16 GB RAM as well. My RAM, the PC RAM is 16 GB, right? 16. Yeah, exactly. Even I was thinking that a refresh token is meant to be stateless. It's not meant to be stored in a DB. So the why it is giving me that. That's what I was even thinking. Okay. Maybe if i5 12 gen and a good because they have the new hybrid processor technology. Okay, you should use JWT session store for authentication if you need more control. Actually, see, I don't want to use session. I want to go with like header part. I don't want to use session or cookies basically. By the way, bro, why aren't you using Claude instead of ChatGPT? I save ChatGPT for bigger tasks. If something cannot be done with ChatGPT, then we go to Claude. Okay. Logout user. Why are we storing refresh token in database? Want to do that. I can avoid some information in database, but understand what you're trading off before you do it. Right now, you're thinking like zero is stateless, but why add DB complexity? Yeah, that's very much secret is about control, not just simplicity. Why people store refresh token in DB when you store them? Revocation, biggest reason. If a token is stolen, you can kill it without DB. You issue a refresh token is valid until expiry. Okay, fine. Your market is revoked true. Done, access gone instantly. Okay. Logout actually works. Logout without giving logout is token still works until expiry. Okay. So you can skip yes, but no the model. If you don't store refresh token, you're using stateless refresh token strategy. How to do it without DB? Your case. Okay, so we have this now. Detect token reuse. Okay, then we should go with database only. I have 16 dual channel. Okay, okay, fine. Where is it? Okay, okay. Let's go with DB part only. I think it is more secure. Fine. So we need to create model refresh token. ID user ID token expires at is revoked. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. I like that the refresh token is in DB and the refresh tokens are usually stored in a database. Okay, okay. Abdul Ali Goli, yo bro, I'm studying computer science in university. I'm struggling to understand linked list. Please, plus queues. Any tips? See, linked list. Like which programming language are you using? After access token expire, we get refresh token to generate access token. Yep, I got it. That Kotlin with exposed ORM is best combination. Currently using KMP. Okay, nice, Shriman Arjun. That's nice. Okay, you should best practice setup. You already installed store. Okay, don't trust client blindly. Now refine in proper system. Okay, okay, refine. Hash token. Yeah. Store hash refresh token like password. Exactly. We can have hash our refresh token. Okay. Give me the full code. Is my add schema. Then okay, utils token, generate refresh token, verify token. Okay, fine. We have this. Then hash token. Utils hash token new file hash token create hash. Okay, update token fine. Use Claude instead. Actually, I save Claude. If something cannot be done with GPT, then we go to Claude. Karthik, what's your degree? I've completed my BTech. Should store hash token so that even stolen token also have securely. Yes, we are going to hash it. Auth service, auth controller, auth route. Okay, get me. Fine. Okay, user ID. Get user ID. Fine. Okay. So here we have module auth controller. Get me auth service. Okay. Oh wait. Okay, fine. Let's start implementing it. Then auth. Okay, fine. Login. Log out. Auth middleware. Move it to HTTP only cookies. Prevent XTEP for real. Move it to HTTP only cookies. And body. Okay, you now have secure login. Okay. Matt Don, will you integrate project with AI? Actually, AI is not needed in this project, so no. Okay, Lokesh, funny. Karthik, if you have Geo and you get 18 months Gemini Pro, yeah, I know that. I don't have Geo, but cookie based auth. I don't need cookie based auth. Fine, let's do this. So first, we'll go to Prisma.schema. Prisma.schema, and here we need just after we create the user. After we create the user, let's create a model as model refresh token id string at the rate default uuid id. Fine, we have this one, we have id. Then after id we have which user id, which user is this string. Then we need a token expires at, we need token expires at is revoked. We need token, we have expires at date time, then is revoked. It will be boolean and here it will be by default it will be false, and here the token will be unique because only one token. Okay, fine. And date time expires at date time. Then we have user, and then we need at the rate relation. Just a sec, let's keep a space. Okay, when you sleep, I sleep by 3 or 4 a.m. I'm not in React, have a decent JS skill, and how AI do better than what I think. A decent JS skill. Learn to use AI to teach yourself. That's what I do. Are you using BullMQ? Yes, we have used BullMQ for messaging queues. Okay, user relation. Here we have fields, and it will be user ID, and here it will be references to ID. Fine. We have this, and then we have this created at. Yeah, created at, and it will be date time. and then here we have at the rate default. Now we have this, and basically this user table, in this user table we need refresh token, and here we'll have this to refresh token. A one-to-one relation must include okay, fine, we have this user id, okay, user id unique false. That means you have used Redis. Yes, we have used Redis because BullMQ requires Redis. Are you working somewhere or just working on this? I had a job. I left my job 2 months back. What are microservices? Microservices are basically individual, entire application is independent of each other, very loosely coupled. Are you experienced? Like I have 1 year of working experience in a service-based company. मैं थर्ड ईयर में हूँ, ए आई एम एल डेटा साइंस की फील्ड से कॉन्स्टेंट इंटर्नशिप के लिए अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन कोई रिस्पांस नहीं आता. हर जगह अप्लाई कर दिया, अब तो बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग सा लगता है, क्या करूँ? ओके, थर्ड ईयर में हूँ. सी ए आई एम एल डेटा साइंस के साथ यू नीड टू शोकेस योर, हाउ यू आर शोकेसिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट्स, what projects you have made? Karthik, how can I reach this potential, bro? Practice, just be consistent. User, we have user relation this, okay, and here we have this refresh token. Fine, okay, just a sec. We have this relation. A one-on-one relation must have a unique field on the defining side. Either add a unique or attribute user id. Okay, so this refresh token has to be unique, and the rate unique. Okay, yeah, this user id and this id. We're storing refresh token in DB. Actually, we are storing refresh token in DB, so that even if the refresh token, for example, someone's refresh token is like revoked, we can actually disable that refresh token. Refresh token user ID should be unique. Yup. Refresh user ID is unique already. Just a second. This here. This. Pros using Pomodoro technique. Okay. Yep. Storing refresh token in Redis is faster, bro. Can you check on this? Yeah, it is faster because Redis, like it is a faster database. It is very close to RAM. That's why. How to reverse a linked list? You have to reverse the pointer. For example, how to reverse a linked list? For example, this is your linked list. This is the head. This is the head of the linked list, right? Then it will point to another linked list, right? For example, it has one, it has two, it will point to another linked list here. It is 3 here, then it is another linked list here, it is 4 here, then it is another linked list. Like if it's a singly linked list 5 here, then either it is pointing to null, right? This is your linked list. Then if you traverse it like this, that's a simple linked list, right? How to reverse it? For example, for reverse logic, what we'll do first, we have to traverse the linked list. We'll go here, we'll go here, we'll go here, and we'll go here. We'll put up, for example, this is a pointer, right? And the next is null, right? The next is null. So this is my pointer. Now what will I do? P, this is my pointer. And what will I do? First, I'll make a temporary variable. This is my temp. So in this temp, this is my temp. Here I'll put my P here. This is my temp. I have P. Okay, so no, we have to put the P here. Just a sec. I got it. So first, to reverse a linked list, what we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We are traversing. Then we come here. Basically, this next of next is null, right? So we have this. So first we'll traverse it, and then we'll put a temp here. Then this will be P is here. This will be P dot next. So 5 is here. P dot next is here. In this temp variable, we have this. Now this P should point, then this P, we have to change this pointer. Just a sec. Forgetting it. Just a sec. एक second. Tarun, by the way, instead of GPT, use Perplexity is very good. Okay, I'll give it a shot. Okay. How to reverse a linked list? एक second. Logic क्या था भाई? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have null. Now to reverse a linked list. So this pointer has to put here. So first what we'll do, we'll traverse here, then we'll traverse here, then we'll traverse here, right? So I want this to point here. Okay. MacDon, I'm not here to give interview. Like I'm not giving interviews here. I'm just trying to figure out the logic of reversing the linked list because someone asked here. I'm trying to figure out the logic. I'm not here to give interviews. 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay, use the 3-pointer pattern. Yeah, that's like we have to use more than 2 pointers. So we are traversing here. This is my pointer here. It is pointing to next, and we have this, and then maybe we have this. What we can do is first we have this. So instead of this pointer, we have to point this to here, right? So P equals P temp equals P dot next. P equals P dot next. I think maybe that's the thing. I don't know, man. I don't know. I have to see. Okay. For linked list, add, delete, research. I can remember them. Any tips? Okay. So we are refresh token is here. Then we have this here. Then we have jw.ts. Run string refresh token. Okay. A string generate access token, generate refresh token. Okay. Fine. We have this. MacDon. You can use arrays also, and optimized way will be to use 2 pointers. Yup. Access token. Okay. What's the toughest part of becoming a good developer and what's coding difficult in your opinion? Coding is not difficult. The toughest part here is to be consistent. Do you earn something from YouTube from streaming? Yeah, very little. Like my channel just got monetized. I still did not receive any payment till now, but still, we have to reach a threshold. Attorney, what's up? Hello, Attorney. Welcome to the stream. How are you? So, schema.prisma refresh token. We have this refresh token here. Revoked. We have this is revoked. User relation this on delete cascade. Yep, we have to do this as well. On delete cascade. Refresh token. Attorney, what are we working on today? Today we are trying to make the authentication much more secure. We are also implementing the refresh token logic. Fine, we have this. Let's now migrate here. npm run db generate npm run db migrate. Fine, we have migrated. Is everything fine? Let's just see. Yeah, no more. Okay, fine. Any issues? Okay, already in sync. Correct. npm run worker dev. Fine. Front end, back end. Got this refresh token as well. Yeah. And if I go to my Prisma, close this. PG admin, close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. Close all. Servers. Then here we have refresh token logic. Here we have user logic. Yep. Refresh token logic. False. By default false. Yep. This is done. This is done. This is done. And then we need the lib. Where is my lib? Utils backend src utils jw.ts, and here we need jwt access token expiry, access token expiry. Okay, access token expiry here, access token expiry. And here again I need const jwt refresh token expiry equals process.env dot jwt access token expiry sign options access token expiry. Just a sec, we go here, options, sign options, and sign options, sign options. Just a sec, as string, okay, hold on, secret, just a sec. Then you're done with the front end almost. Token expiry, just a sec. What we'll do, simply we'll go here const JWT access token generate access token secret secret access secret into this, and here const JWT refresh secret process dot env dot JWT refresh secret as string. Fine. Then we have this expiry. Okay, the access token expiry. Then we have access token expiry, access token expiry. Then we have refresh token expiry equals process dot env dot jwt refresh token expiry. Because you should create a common env config file. Yep, I know, like we have to do a lot of refactoration of the code. And then we have this expiry as sign options, and here it will be expires in as well. We have this, and refresh token refresh secret. We have this, make it access secret, access secret, access secret. We have this, and access token expiry, make it this JWT secret, JWT access secret, JWT access secret. Verify, we have JWT secret. Yep, JWT, yes, it will be JWT secret only, make it secret, JWT secret. Then we have this access token expiry, refresh token expiry, sign option access token expiry. Okay, generate access token, JWT secret, and options. Right now we need to create export const generate, make it access token. We have to make it access token, change the name. Then here we have generate refresh token. Anjit, hello from outside. Rakta Bhattacharya. Hey, can you help me with some resources in AWS? I'm trying to build pipeline. It's more of ops side project. So yeah, you can see. Usually, I look for resources on YouTube or articles. So we can search for that. Prime Osin, you Abhishek, you. If though Google states gamma E4B is image text to text, it's actually ain't. It's not. It does not have proj files. Okay. Hello, Ibrahim Osin. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Yeah, today even I was going for gamma 4 E4B. I was checking that out. Generate access token. Here a refresh token. Here we need user ID, which is string here. String. We have string here. Fine. And then in const options we have sign options expires in JWT access token refresh token expiry. We have this refresh token expiry. Fine. Generate refresh token. That's it. Access token sign. Okay. Here we need to return JWT dot sign. Here we have I hope it works. Okay, Ibrahim. Rakta Patel. So you are practice deep learning as side. Do you know about your basic ML? Just yes, and I know about basic ML. I have practiced basic machine learning. So yeah, I saw a repo. So yeah, okay. It's been 12 hours, man. I am stuck at image processing, user queue, and proper image analysis while using the least possible GPU. What are you trying to build, Ibrahim Mohsin? What are you working? Like what are you trying to build? User ID. Find sign user ID and JWT refresh secret. JWT refresh token refresh secret, and then we have options here. Generate access token, generate refresh token. Fine. We have done with the refresh token. Please use AI. We are using AI. We are using AI, but like like when it's needed, we are using AI here as well. Then verify access, verify refresh. Okay. JWT user payload. Okay. Then verify access token. Yeah, make it verify access token here. Export const, make it verify refresh token. Again we'll pass the token string IJWT user payload. Return JWT dot verify token and JWT refresh secret as JWT. Wait, hold on. JWI this one as this one. Yep. Rahim, I am trying to release a new version of Bladework that actually does better job at less hardware pressure. Okay. Bladework goes to Recon V3, so we'll be able to integrate that into my automated pen testing application called the Regret pen test. Okay, it's an automated pen test application that uses AI models without guardrails in sandbox environment. Oh, nice, Ibrahim. That's nice. Verify refresh token. Update auth service. Okay. So now if I go to my modules, where's my modules? Modules service auth auth service. This is my auth service. Create refresh token. Helpers. Okay. Auth response. Okay. Build auth response. Register user. Okay. Build auth response. Can you show the task manager how much CPU usage? Okay. I always share UI cause that's all I can share. IP of my company after all. Okay. Nice. You can see the CPU usage. All of this. So yeah. Register user. Login user. Okay. Fine. We need to create a helper. Create access token. Okay. 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 7 days. Okay. helper. We have to create a helper function. So we don't need helper actually. We need utils hash. Okay, hash auth service generate access token, and here we need to use access token here, and this will be access token. Access token. That's it. Okay, so first we need this generate access token, generate refresh token, generate access token, generate refresh token, verify refresh token. Fine. Const refresh token expiry equals process dot env dot fine. Just a sec. Do freelancer actually get paid in India? Very less. Very less. We have this. Hello Sharma ji, what's up? Hello Coded, welcome back to the stream. Everything is fine. How are you? We have this, then helpers. Response. User access token. Hash password refresh token. Okay. Auth response. Fine. From freelancing only, शिवल पटानी भाई अभी मैं AI में स्टडी कर रहा हूँ, तो प्लीज़ आप मुझे गाइड करें क्या मुझे क्या पढ़ना चाहिए। पहले तो पाइथन करो, पाइथन पाइटॉर्च नंपाई पांडास इसको पहले अच्छे से सीखो। उसके बाद get into machine learning, understand regression, classification, what are differences between them, what are different models in each of them. Then then slowly understand what is overfitting, underfitting, how to improve that, how to reduce overfitting. Then later then slowly get into deep learning. Const const we have hold on const create refresh token equals async function. We have this, it's an async function, and then we have here user id of type string, user id of type string, create a refresh token. Okay, const token equals generate refresh token, and then pass the user id, fine. We have the user id here, and const expires at equals new date here. Then we have expires at dot set date. कितना मंथ्स हो गए ये प्रोजेक्ट? अभी तो सिर्फ 25 डेज हुए, एक महीना भी नहीं हुआ अभी तक. सेट डेट, we have here expires at dot get date, expires at dot get date, plus refresh token expiry plus refresh token expiry. Okay, refresh token expiry. Okay, we can just put this refresh token expiry days. Refresh token expiry days. Make it for now. Let's make it 7. अभी के लिए keep it open. We'll fix this. Then here we have hobby Prisma dot refresh token dot create data where we have user ID, then we have token user ID expires at, we have this await and then return token, create refresh token. Fine. Then this build auth response. अभी फ्रीलांसर में रेगुलर कस्टमर होते होंगे, कुछ बहुत कम होते हैं, लाइक मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में तो काफ़ी कम थे. शिवलाई पटंज, थैंक्स भाई फॉर द गाइडेंस, वेलकम यूज़र. कितना दिन लगेगा ख़त्म होने में? See, development part maybe in next 1 week we'll complete it, but we are also using the payout feature, right? For that I need to register my business and that will take time. Welcome to the stream, Frameflix. From where we can learn TypeScript and Next.js, any good resource? Ankita Kulkarni YouTube channel, you can learn from there. Ibrahim shared with your Discord. Check it out. Okay, I'll check it out, Ibrahim. Okay, we have this. Then we need this const build auth response build auth response. Fine. Here we have user, we have ID, name, email, role. ID string email, ID string email name, string ID name email, role string. भाई उद्यम रजिस्ट्रेशन कर लो बिजनेस अगर रजिस्टर करना है, बट जीएसटी नंबर पता नहीं. हाँ, लाइक अभी वो सब में वी हैव टू गेट इनटू दोज थिंग्स. आई ऑल्सो नीड अ करंट अकाउंट. Okay, so we have this one. Leo Mercy, hi, hello Leo Mercy, welcome to the stream. Rahul भाई डायरेक्ट कॉपी पेस्ट कर दो, देख देख के टाइप करने का क्या फायदा? एक्चुअली देख देख के टाइप इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ना आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड द कोड बिफोर वी इम्प्लीमेंटेड. देख के कॉपी पेस्ट करेंगे हो तो जाएगा, लेकिन बाई चांस इवन इफ देयर इज अ स्मॉल बग वी विल मिस इट एंड देन इन फ्यूचर इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ आवर्स टू डिबग इट. सो दैट्स द थिंग. अगर मेरे को लाइक कॉपी पेस्ट ही करना था तो इससे अच्छा मैं AI एजेंट्स नहीं यूज़ कर लेता अगर मुझे पूरा ही काम AI से करवाना था. बट हियर वी आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द कोड एंड देन वी आर ट्राइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट. सो इसके साथ साथ सीख भी रहे हैं और बना भी रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू अचीव हियर. ओके, सो रोल स्ट्रिंग. ओके, Razor Pay allows unregistered business to use it, but Stripe not allows. Actually, Razor Pay allows unregistered business to use only the, payment gateway. But if you want to use the payout feature, you have to use Razor Pay X. Payout feature is basically from your application, you're paying someone else in their bank account. So that feature you have to use Razor Pay X. Only less than 1% earn 1 lakh per month in India. True. If I'm coding with hand is amazing. Yup, debugging is horrible. Exactly. यूज़र बैंक अकाउंट ओपन करने के टाइम वीज़ा और मास्टर कार्ड सिलेक्ट करना भाई, रुपए मत करना, बाद में दिक्कत आएगी. ओके, थैंक्स यूज़र, थैंक्स अ लॉट. कैपी. ओके, कुशागर श्रीवास्तव, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोड मैप. नो, देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ कोडिंग विथ हैंड्स, बट यूजिंग AI to debug is horror. Agree. Okay, Kuशागर, software engineer roadmap. Pick one programming language, master it, like be very good in it, then switch to a tech stack that is based around that programming language. For example, if you're using Python with backend, Python for backend, then learn either Django or Fast API. Then you can learn React or Angular based on your preference, and then build good projects. Cappy, damn, I have to struggle. Okay, RIP my dreams. Right, don't get demotivated. I made my GitHub today. All congratulations, Leo Mercy. I think you're starting a coding journey now. All the best for that. Okay, so we have this now. Okay, role and string. We have the role and string. Then user access token. Mm-hmm. User. Okay, just a sec. Okay, fine. Then here we have user. Then we have user here. ID user dot ID. Then name user dot name. Then we have email user dot email, and then role user dot role. Fine, we have this. And then access token, and then we have access token. Then we are calling the function generate access token, and we are passing the user dot id here. Exactly, fine. So this part is done. Clyde Ibrahim Mohsin. Claude Mythos, also called Claude Capybara, is scary, Abhishek. What are its feature, Ibrahim Mohsin? Can you what is the feature of that? Leo Mercy. I made my README markdown and going to upload my first project right now. All the best, Leo Mercy. It's like a model so good it's not available user only enterprise. Okay, and it can find zero development in application. Okay, and Claude Mythos. Okay, we have this. Now in register, what we are doing in register part, same thing, password. Okay, existing user, fine, hash password, very good. We are creating the user in the password. Okay, then we are getting a refresh token. So first we need const get the refresh token equals create a refresh token. This method that we created, we are using this method, create a refresh token here. Create a refresh token const, and we are const, and here we are passing user id, right? We are passing the user id, and so here I need to pass user dot id. Fine, this gets my refresh token. And then simply, okay, instead of all these things, access token we can remove because it is getting generated there only. And here remove this part, and then we need just return dot build auth response, and build auth response. We are passing the user, and comma refresh token. Fine. Okay, spread types only be created from object types. Okay, Apple, Oracle, JB Morgan, CrowdStrike, these are the companies that has access to this model. Okay, it's score 93% SW benchmark. Okay, it can build complete software with one prompt. Damn, that's scary. That is scary. Software engineer or AI ML engineer, which career more scope in today as well in future? AI ML engineer. Can you give an overlay of quick explanation of a project? Yeah, sure. Just a sec. I'll give you that. Return build response user. Fine. It builds ERR type things of scalability, all bottlenecks, dev with 10 years experience, but in all language. That's nice, man. It will be very helpful for me. I hope they release it. And scary of all, it's better than best hacker in finding vulnerabilities. Okay, will you use product hunt? Yes, I'll use that. I'll use product hunt. Ayn Khan. Okay, we get it, Ibrahim. That is too impressive and stuff. Now, what's next? Okay, refresh token. We have this. So this is my hot service. We're running this. You can just simply remove this for now. This is I got this error. It's like $1,500 per month for a month use enterprise only, and that too for companies that are associated with Anthropic. Okay, nice. It's causing returns undefined. This function body return statement. He says so. Make this mistake here. Build auth response. User part. Okay, here also I need to wrap it. Okay. Bug 2 missing await on create. Okay, here I need await also because we are using async there. Await. Yeah, this. Fine, we are getting this register user and login user part as well. This password. Okay. बताया नहीं आपने बताऊंगा एक सेकंड सार्थक government job versus IT job which four types of experience with 4 years of experience see government job is good for stability if you want stability then government job yes this user compare password okay compare password part this okay refresh token okay fine here also refresh token equals generate we are using this generate create refresh token method create a refresh token here yes create refresh token and here we have to make it await await yeah and then here instead of this we need to return return dot build auth response user and then we need the refresh token fine then refresh access token part हाय अभिषेक आज खाने में क्या खाया पूड़ी और आलू की सब्जी मनीषा चार हाय हेलो मनीषा वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम मनीष अचार हेलो मनीष अचार वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम we have this log out and get user by id okay silently succeed even if token doesn't exist okay so now we have this Syed hello Syed welcome to the stream hi drop is a bomb okay export const refresh token access equals async incoming token of type string this we have this here let payload is equal to user ID, type it, verify. Okay, catch, invalid. Okay, store or expired, refresh token. Just a sec. Okay, then now we have this let payload. We have this let payload refresh token access. Payload user ID, verify signature, and this one for first path. Check token registration DB is not revoked. Okay, after revoke token, issue new one. Okay, okay, build auth response. Refresh token, refresh token. User. This is same. Mm-hmm. Get user ID. This is correct. User. Verify refresh token. Okay, payload. So here in here we need const payload equals user ID of type string. This is the type that we are defining. User ID of type string. String only refers to a type value here. Let payload here, then try catch, try catch, try catch. This is the catch part. Throw new API error, throw new API error 401, and we have here invalid or expired refresh token. Invalid or expired refresh token, we have this. And then now here try payload. Okay, so payload we have verify refresh token, and verify refresh token takes this incoming token as a okay, fine, this is done, this try catch is done. Then here we have const stored equals stored token equals await Prisma dot refresh token dot find unique, where token incoming token include user true. Okay, where token we have incoming token and include user true, include user true. Fine, this is my stored token, right? This is my stored token, and if there's no stored token revoked or expired and there's a new date, refresh token revoked or expired. Okay, Rishikesh, why when you are sad last time, and on which reason? I was sad the last time when I was working in a company 2 months back, and the reason was that I just sat one day, like one morning, and I just could not get up to work because the work was so boring. Like I did not feel that I could work. If I don't like in that service based company, I could not work because I was not, I was not getting that energy to work. So one day I was just sitting and meeting was going on in the background, and I just zoned out and I was thinking what the hell I'm doing with my life. Like just because I'm scared that I might fail, why am I going for the safe route? So that's the day I realized that I need to quit my job. So then I left my job. That's the thing. And yeah, there is no stored tokens, or if um, stored token dot is revoked is true, or stored token dot expires at is less than new date. So new API error. What a coincidence. Same with me before 2 months. Yeah, man. आज खाने में क्या है? पूरी और आलू की सब्जी. Okay. Throw new API error 401 and refresh token expired, revoked, or expired. We have this. There we have this. Then await. Is the health fine? Is the health fine? Stream health is fine. Yeah, stream health is fine. Then const Ayush Golde. Does college matters or skills? Skills matter most. Const new refresh to okay. Await Prisma refresh or update. Rotate revoke old token, issue new one. Okay. What are we updating? Data revoked. Okay, fine. Here we have await Prisma dot refresh token dot update where ID is stored token dot ID data is revoked to true. Fine, we have done this. Rishikesh, now don't say you have also worked in Noida. Actually, my office was in Bangalore, but I just did work from home. So yeah. Then new refresh token const new refresh token equals await create refresh token, and here we have stored token dot user dot user ID. Prime motion college matters for job skills for life. If you are skilled, you will earn crazy any given day. Okay. Coder YouTuber. Why people go for MTech after BTech if they can get a job via BTech and skills only? Maybe if somebody is interested in MTech, maybe they want to go for a job in USA, UK, Canada, Australia. They want, like they want to go to, if somebody is doing MTech, usually they go for foreign countries for doing MTech most of the time. And if they are doing in India, maybe like they did not get a job, and that's why they don't want to sit idle. That's why they are going for a degree, or they want to get into research. After MTech, they want to go for PhD. Why people? Okay, fine. My const new refresh token, and then we'll simply return dot dot dot. What was the name? Build auth response stored dot stored token dot user and then we have refresh token as new refresh. This one, just pass this one here. New refresh token. Fine, we have this, and then we need this logout part. Logout incoming token. Await Prisma reference update menu where token incoming token revoke false, data revoke true. ID is done. Then auth controller. Then what is the issue? What is the main issue that we have? Which line? This is red line. Where are we getting this red line here? Red line, no red line here. No red line here. No red line here. No red line here. Okay. Then no red line here. 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 That's fine. Let's see. Mohammed Mohammed Zakari 8057. Hello Mohammed, welcome to the stream. Why are you not using Cloud Code or Codex, Cursor, etc. instead of writing code in traditional way? Time wasting. Actually, I want full control of my code, and I don't want like AI to write the entire code because it gets very difficult for debugging part in the future. So that's why. Auth controller key options. Using cookies set. We don't need cookie. Let's see. Okay. Register can using register user login user refresh. Okay. 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 Auth middleware. Code YouTuber, sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. Sweet dreams, Code YouTuber, and thanks for joining the stream. Have a good night. So then, auth middle auth route. And a piggy parser and okay. Auth post. Okay. Secure refresh router use. A stolen token can only be used once. Okay. Fine. Let's go without the cookie part for now. Ibrahim Mosin. Yo Abhishek. Good night, bro. Keep coding hard. Good night, Ibrahim Mosin, and thanks for joining the stream, brother. Okay. First. Oh, okay, fine. What we can do is refresh. Just a sec. Login. All these we are getting refresh token. Refresh token result. Await. Refresh token. Okay. Success data result. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now let's just see one thing. Now if I go for login, what we get? And refresh token. Okay. Okay. Backend. A lot of things are not working now. Uncaught exception. Okay, we have to fix a few things. Just a sec. If just a sec, I need to change the .env variables. Hold on. So first, if I go here from backend .env, then this is my .env.sample, and then here I have. Hold on, guys. We have this. Just a sec. We have this, and if I go to my lib jwt.ts, here we have secret refresh token secret refresh secret refresh secret. Okay, refresh secret jwt secret. Okay, we have. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, fine. We have this. Expiry, system expiry. Then we have here JWT refresh token expiry equals. We have this. Okay. Refresh secret. Fine. Hold on. Copy it from here and then this here. Fine. Okay. Then just copy this one here and just this here. Just a sec, guys. I'll show the screen. Hold on. Your secret. Your refresh secret. Day. Fine. Close this. And just a sec. If I go here, come here, put this here. Okay, just remove this. This is not required. Remove this. Close this. Okay. So now if I come here and now if I share the screen, I hope my screen is visible now. Okay. Lokesh, Abhishek, bro, bye. Good night. Take care. Good night, Lokesh, and thanks for joining the stream. We have this. Okay. Fine. Now if I come here, where is the code breaking? Okay. Now if I go to my panel here, this here, string, string. Okay. We will see. We have this. Now post this. लोकेश ब्रो आई सेंट वन रील टू यू कैसा था वो रील अच्छा रील था काफ़ी अच्छा था ओके ऑथ कंट्रोलर वी हैव द ऑथ कंट्रोलर हियर रजिस्टर ओके रजिस्टर login just we need that export const refresh is equal to catch async and here we need why are you trying to build dude I'm trying to build a B2B appointment booking SaaS async then we have request then we have response here and then this in this refresh we are clicking const refresh incoming token okay let's call it incoming token equals request dot body incoming token as refresh token let's call it refresh token as incoming token only okay just a sec put this here we have incoming token request on body dot refresh token we have this if there is no incoming token okay fine just simply throw new API error code 1 Lokesh, it's for you only, bro. The way you explain everything to me and everyone, and let me. I keep asking dumb question again and again. It's see, no questions are dumb, Lokesh. He's building a point booking SaaS, currently working on MVP version. Okay, thanks, Lokesh. ओम लोधे, हेलो ओम, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। भाई कंसिस्टेंसी कैसे बनाए? एक एक दो दिन के बाद मन नहीं करता, आलस आता है, तो कैसे बनाएं? सी, आलस तो सबसे पहले भूल जाओ भाई। अगर लाइफ में मेरा पर्सनल बिलीफ है दैट इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग, just give up laziness, because just think that you're wasting your time and somebody else is getting better than you. Like they are building something. Somebody who's like who has the same age as you, he's working harder than you, or maybe somebody who's younger than you is working harder than you. So when I feel lazy, I just think that I just cannot rest unless and until I achieve what I want to achieve. And see, discipline, you have to be disciplined, and discipline only comes with a strong mindset. You have to work on your mindset. You have to give up comfort. Don't ever chase comfort. So that's the thing. No refresh token. Fine. Service register access token access refresh access token. We have this. So now we have this, and now if I come here and get this controller part, where is it? Controller refresh token. Okay, register login. Refresh. Okay, refresh token result. Okay, result. Fine. Yep. What we can do is promise we can get here refresh token dot result equals await refresh access token and pass here incoming token. Fine, and this is done. Then we can just do return res dot status 200 dot json success true, and then data result logout get me. Fine, this is done. Then auth middleware. Auth middleware. Fine, this is my auth middleware. Verify access token, we have to make it verify access token. Actually, verify access token. Getting this auth middleware request next. Okay, auth header, request headers or authorization. Okay, if there's no auth header, unauthorized. Okay, then const token auth header dot split this, then try on verify access token user ID. And okay, fine, next. Fine, next. Invalid or expired access token. Invalid or expired access token. Fine. We have this now, and then update auth dot route. Then hold on, now if I go here, why are we getting this issue? Es build JS socket from standard out. Okay, okay, okay. Why are we getting this issue? We'll see. We'll see about that. Then auth dot route. My auth dot route here. auth dot route register login refresh register login router dot route slash refresh dot post. Here we need refresh, then log out as well. Router dot route here slash logout dot post logout. Logout login auth controller refresh, then log out. Copy this to make some changes. Control auth controller refresh. Get me log out. Here we need this will be from request dot body dot refresh token. Then here log out user. We don't need this. Fine. You have this. If incoming request, you have this here. Copy this here. Put this here. Okay. सौरभ एरर ऑथ सर्विस में है. एरर ऑथ सर्विस में है. कहाँ पे है? वेयर इज इट? विच लाइन? विच लाइन? ओके, ऑथ सर्विस में है. वेयर ऑथ सर्विस एरर. ओके, गॉट इट. बट फाउंड दिस TS41 लाइन नंबर 41 4111. Okay. Okay, now what is the issue? Okay, augment and route. Okay, here need logout. Thanks, Saurabh. Thanks a lot, Saurabh. आई एम ड्रीमर भाई. कॉपी पेस्ट ही करके चेंजेस देखो. एक्चुअली कॉपी पेस्ट करने से ना ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि ना डिबगिंग में काफ़ी दिमाग खराब होता है. अगर आप खुद से कोड कर रहे हो ना, तो आप एक एक लाइन बाय लाइन करोगे तो आपको पूरा फ्लो समझ में आएगा. और यहाँ पे वी आर ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू लर्न वाइल बिल्डिंग. सो दैट्स द अप्रोच दैट आई एम गोइंग फॉर. दैट्स वाई अगर कॉपी पेस्ट ही करना था तो आई कुड हैव यूज्ड क्लॉड और कोडेक्स राइट टू राइट द एंटायर कोड. बट हियर वी आर ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू लर्न, एंड while building we are trying to learn. So that's why we are not just copy pasting it. We are trying to understand the code, then we are trying to implement it ourselves. Okay, so we have this now. So now if I check this one, let's see what we get. Data user access to very good, very good. So now if I come here and if I see here, we're getting this right. Now we just have one more field as refresh token, right? We have this. We're not going with cookies right now, maybe in future, but not right now. Then update auth middleware has been updated. Okay, auth middleware has been updated. Wire up. Okay, fine. And we have labels. These things are done. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Auth middleware. Auth middleware. Authorization. Access token. And in this part, hold on, middleware part, verify access token only. I am dreamer. Nice strategy. Thanks. Budi aloo bhujia. Saurabh. Bro, why your PG admin is in light mode? Actually, how to make it in dark mode? Actually, my system default mode is light mode. Keep working hard here. Thanks, I'm Dreamer. Thanks a lot. So we have this. Okay, we have this now. Now let's check one thing, that are my application is working or there are some issues. npm run dev, npm run worker dev, npm run dev. This is working. And now if I check the front end part, this is my front end. Close this, close this. For now, just close this. And now if I go here, localhost 3000, we have this register. Let's go with another user, test user 11 at the rate gmail.com, at the rate gmail.com, test user 11, login. Something broke here. Server responded unauthorized. Something broke here. Okay, network, test user 2 at the rate gmail.com, test user 2. We have this, my organization, me, invalid or expired access token. Okay, invalid. Okay, me, invalid. Okay, hold on. Auth middleware, invalid access token. Okay, we are getting in the middleware part. So now when we are logging in, where is it? Where is the, hold on. First, आज खाने में सब यही पूछ रहे हैं. Okay, bro, get sleep. Don't just keep coding. Yeah, man. Like, we'll sleep just in a while, not now. Right now, we have to first make this working, then we'll sleep. So now, this we are doing. This we are doing. This we are doing. This we are doing. So in my auth controller, in the login part, this is happening. New refresh token. Getting the result. Let's just console. Not here. Not here. Not here. Let's go to the login part, and here let's see what is the result. Console.log .log. Let's get what the result is. If we go here, and right now if I do login, and if I go here, we get access token and refresh token. Right, we are doing this access token and refresh token. And in my lib part, where's my lib front end. This is my front end, this is my lib API auth, this is my auth. And here we're getting this login, and you are getting this res dot data. Hold on, res dot, just a sec. We've changed this data to result. Actually, we need the data part. Hold on, auth controller, result, data, this result. Hold on. This res dot data part. Okay. This is fine. This is fine. Not an issue. This is okay. So here we are going with res.data, and where are we using this? Where are we using this form? Components, form, login form. This is my login form, and here we are using login user thunk. Here we are using this login user thunk, and when we are getting this res.token service, res.data.data.access token. This has to be access token here. Hold on, just a sec. Set token res await API login res.data.data, res.data.data, and access token. We have this access token here. Okay, so here, just a sec. Where is it? Front end, auth token, and here we are calling it access token. We are going to call it access token. Here it will be access token, and here it will be access token. Here we are going for res dot auth response. Does not exist on type auth response. Types index auth response, auth response, auth response. Auth response. Okay, okay, got it. Basically auth response we have here. Auth state, auth response. Where are we getting this? Okay, token service, access token, auth response, set token, access token, token, over set access token, token. Okay, okay, okay. Auth slice. Sort of recheck the login function in front. Yeah, that's what we are doing. आज चिकन क्यों नहीं खाया? आज तो नहीं खाया. HX. Hello HX, welcome to the stream. Are you in the end of this project or just started? We are towards the end of this project. Maybe by tomorrow, like tomorrow will be the last stream for this project because MVP is almost done. Now I just need to register my business. Only after that I can, implement the payout feature. So, like we are towards the end of this project. ड्रीमर, अरे यार भाई इतना सॉफ्टवेयर ओपन प्लस लाइव विद ओबीएस स्टूडियो लैग नहीं होता गया अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ लैग. Okay, so just a sec. We are getting this rest. We are getting this rest, right? Here we are getting rest dot data dot data. Rest dot data dot data. Inside that, we need that there's an access token here. I know that there's an access token inside this. So this response, what is the data type of this response? How can I check it? So if I go to my close this, if I go to API, where's my API? API auth.ts. See, in this here we're getting auth response as auth response, and with this auth response here, and here it will be access token. Got it. This will be access token, right? This will be access token. Auth slice. Here we are getting this. Why is there a red line here? Why it is red? Here also. Access token. Fine. We have this. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, we have this now, and now if we implement this, refresh, remove this, and now if we go to test user2@gmail.com, and here we go for test user2 login. Okay, now we are here, organizations, services, availability. See, now we have implemented without breaking anything. Okay. HX, good luck for registration process. Yes, HX, it's a long process. In India, registration takes time. First, I need to get a current bank account. Then I need to get a GST number. In India, we had the concept of GST. So I need the GST number as well. Then I need to register as a sole proprietorship with this software as a service. Okay. Blake, what are you building and what's the intention of for the building the website? Actually, I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS, and my intention is to market this SaaS and get users and try to generate revenue from the SaaS. Okay, are you planning to integrate a community option in this SaaS also? Pay to join? Yeah, see, it's a software as a service, right? So we have in the billing part, we have implemented a starter, a free version as well, and a paid version. Like for example, this is not the final amount. I have to do market research and I have to compare it with the competitors. Then only we'll decide what is the correct amount for the SaaS. So if somebody goes for the paid plan, then they will not pay anything to the platform. They will just pay me by the monthly basis, and there will be no hidden charges. And if somebody goes for the free version, then we'll cut 8% of the booking amount. That's it. That's how the generally I have gone for the revenue model. इंदौर में होते तो 2 दिन में करवा देता HDFC में. अच्छा. Actually, like मैंने कहीं देखा था कि it is always better to get a current account in a public bank sector. Okay, this organization. Let's create a new service. Let's see if everything is working absolutely fine now. एक काम करते हैं, let's delete a service. Delete this. I'm gonna delete this website. Okay. Delete failed. Interesting. Why? Why delete failed? Okay. Why did delete failed? Over here. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I think some access token issue only. Nothing serious. Let's see. Auth slice. Uh, organization slice. Or ID. Okay. Let's see. We have any token part here? No. Then booking slice. Any token part here? No result. Okay. Availability slice. Not here. Let's go with any token here. Anything related to token? No. Auth slice we have done. Okay. 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 Auth slice state. Log out. Okay, fine. Why do you decide to do this kind of software? Basically, I did market research and it was easier to build for me now because I'm a solo developer. Maybe in future, like this is not the only SaaS that I'll be building. After the SaaS, we'll start. First, I'll learn something new and then we'll build something else as well. Okay, Kushagra, should I learn computer vision? Yeah, you can learn. It's a good field. Why is it failing? If I go to this service, if I go to delete service, okay, I have this login user, get this access token, copy this access token, go here, delete service. For now, paste this, we have this. For now, if I go here, this is my organization. Let's go with test user 2 organization 2, and this is one of the service. Let's see, updated again. Service updated. It is getting updated. Okay, but it is not getting deleted. Service deleted. Delete the service. Delete the service. Delete failed. Why delete failed for this? Okay, what is happening? Services, no services. Services, no services. Here, services, no services. Delete this. Delete failed. Delete failed. Okay. Bookings. Cancel appointment. Booking cancelled. Integrations. Payouts. Let's see payouts. User 2 updated. Confirm payout. Updated. Okay, it is getting confirmed. Billing. Okay. Now I think when you inspect control shift plus M. Okay, control plus shift plus M. Okay, thanks for letting me know. It is not getting deleted, right? Control shift M. Control plus shift plus M. No, it is not working. Why you didn't paste the bearer token authorization tab field? Basically, we are passing this in header part. That's why. So I think you need to click on the toggle, then delete the service. Okay. Toggle, then delete. No, there's something logically wrong. We'll see. Um Login form. Let's close all of this. First, let's go to the service, service. We are working on create service, lead service, ID service. Okay, where service ID service successfully. Okay, to delete. Okay, go to service controller, service. Okay, update, delete. Are you getting this? Already by getting. Okay, service. Fine. Let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. Um, we'll go here. Yeah, I know. Like, see, right? I'm not able to inspect it because if I inspect it, like here, I'm not getting the mobile view. If I close, yeah, make it like this, then we can do this. Network. What is the issue? 500. Invalid Prisma service invocation users. Oh, Prisma issue. Uh-huh. Throw new API service not found. This service not found. Foreign key constraint. Okay. 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 Got it. Basically, first we have these users, right? Let's delete all the users. No, not delete all the users. First, we have users. We have refresh token. Just a sec. We have this token. Delete this. For now, let's make a clean application. Payout. We have not even done a payment. Not done. Organization. Payment. Saurabh, I think you got the error in Prisma sucks. No, actually, we have to fix the error. Prisma does not. I like Prisma a lot. Don't say that. Okay. Fair King, do you use AI for the project? May I? Yes, I use AI for the project. Fair King, I use AI whenever it is needed, but we don't use AI IDs. I just use ChatGPT or Claude to get the structure of the code. Then I try to implement it myself. Organization part. Foreign key constraint. Service. Okay. Service. Find Google integration. Get this. This booking clock. Any booking clock here. Okay. We have to fix that also in booking clock. We have this now. Now if I go here, delete, delete. Okay. Saurav, yeah, I also like Prisma very much. Okay. MacDon, good that you're using progress. Okay. Inspect, use Control Shift M I to toggle on and off. Okay, got it. Joker Phoenix, thanks. HA. Why don't you wear a cooling glass? Don't your eyes hurt? Not yet. Actually, I have a glass, but I don't wear it much. Bank detail, delete everything. Then availability rule. For now, let's delete all these things. Okay. Okay. So availability rule has been deleted. Then service part. Anything here? Let's go to this service part as well. Service has been deleted. Now we can delete the organizations as well. Delete the organizations. Delete the organizations. Yep. So first come here, close this. Don't save. Close this. Just close all. Close all. Fine. Close this. Okay. So Now let's just log out from here, refresh it, and let's just restart the server first. Magdon, what's your next goal after building SaaS? After this building the SaaS, I wanted to learn a few things. So I will be showing you guys, like I will be learning new technologies or something that I don't know, or maybe improve my backend backend knowledge. So I will be working on those things, and I'll be showing you guys how I'm learning new things or trying to improve myself, like my backend knowledge. That's what I'll be doing in the next few streams, and then we'll try to find our next target, like what we need to build. I need to register my business, then I'll make strategies to marketing as well. I'll show you guys everything, so you can know what I'm doing. Okay, so backend has started, and this may worker and we have run worker dev, my frontend, my frontend, right? Okay, sir, got it. Okay, we have this now. Now if I go here, uh, close this, close this. If I go here, localhost 3000, register. Let's go for login. Test user2 @gmail.com. Test user2 login. Logged in. Any organization? No organization. Create first organization. Fine. Let's create test user2 organization 1. Hold on. Test user2 organization 1. We have this create workspace. Workspace has been created, right? Now if I go to my organization table, this is my organization table. This seems fine. Okay, subscription, no subscription. Okay, fine. We have this. Now if I go here, let's create one more organization. Test user 2 organization 2. Create workspace, organization 2, organization 1 create. Now let's create a service. Create a service. Fitness coaching call. This is a 60 minutes fitness call. It is 60 minutes. Price is $4.99. It is online. Launch the service. Service has been created, right? Service has been created. Now if I go to my service tab, service table, this is my service table. This has been created. Next goal, marriage. No, man. Okay, so we have this. Now if I go here, now again let's create one more service. For this, let's create offline body weight workout training for men. Let's make it 120 minutes. Price, let's make it 999. It is offline, and for offline let's give Kolkata. Let's give this address and launch service. So we have created this, and let's go for the availability. Right, let's go here, and just a sec, I'll check again this. This is offline online. Okay, fine. Nagesh Kumar. Hello Nagesh, welcome to the stream. I want new CRM on network marketing. Network marketing. Okay, we'll think about it. Fine, we have this. Okay. Now let's create availability for Monday. Let's keep it from 11 to 5, and let's copy to other days. This has been created, and if I go here, go to availability part, availability, and let's see. Yep, we get it. We got it. We got these days, and now if we go to bookings, there are no bookings. Then integrations. Let's connect my Google. Continue. Okay, so Google has been integrated. And now if I go to the integration table, we can see that Google has been integrated, right? Yep, Google has been integrated. And let's give the payout details. If we go here, let's give the payout detail. Test user 2 IFSC code, and let's give the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and bank name, random bank name, random bank branch, give. So this has been created, right? Okay, so now let's see that I try to delete a service. I want to delete this service. Okay, see, service has been deleted. Now if I try to delete this service, service has been deleted. Okay, service has been deleted. Here also, let's create one more service here. Just a second. Ibrahim Mohsin, you still coding, Abhishek? Yeah, man. Dedication route. Thanks, Ibrahim. Thanks a lot. Why was he timed out? Why was? I'm sorry, did I break a concentration? Stop having words. Like, how, why did Nightbot time out, Ibrahim? On oh, the satisfaction of code working, code is working well. Nightbot hates me. I don't know, man. What's wrong with Nightbot? Yeah, actually, maybe there was some bugs. Actually, see, we made changes in the data table, right? So user table and refresh token table. So maybe there was some foreign key constraint issues. Ibrahim emoji. Okay. So let's create. Let's see just one more final check. If I go here, organization has been created. Let's create a service so we can check the booking part. If I come here, if I say one on one, one on one developer call for 60 minutes, I will guide you towards your developer goals. It is a 45 minutes call and price is 500, and this is online. Confirm booking. Okay, confirm the service. MacDon, which field in today's world is the highest job opportunities in tech side? Cybersecurity, because cybersecurity is still required. Cloud, cloud is very important because cloud engineers are paid really well. Services. So then let's create one more offline. Then let's create offline. Earn stack offline. Earn stack offline course. This will make you a job ready MERN developer. Let's make it let's make it 120 plus 60, 180 minutes, and price is 600 for one class offline, and this will be in, let's make it Salt Lake, Kolkata. Let's make it this launch service. This service has been launched, and let's for this organization, let's create a booking. If I go here, localhost / booking, and let's give this, let's go here. Okay, MacDon, what is the equivalent of microservice in MERN stack? Actually, we can implement microservices in MERN stack. Microservice is an architecture. It can be implemented in Spring Boot, Node.js. Ibrahim Mohsin, my model also works, man. It took 14 hours roughly, but it works. That's nice, Ibrahim. Congratulations, man. I know it feels good when something works that we have been working on. It works really well. Okay, let's make it 500 and 600. Okay. Vaibhav Gurd. Hello Vaibhav, welcome to the stream. One suggestion, this could improve the performance of app. Try using lazy loading as this will also keep your bundle size small. Thanks. Yeah, like we have to implement lazy loading as well. Thanks. Thanks for letting me know. Vaibhav Giri, thanks a lot, man. Lokesh. Hi bro. Ayn Khan. Technically gold jewelry operations. Technically gold jewelry operations. Okay. Try caching. Actually, caching, if you see what is the need of caching here in this application, like we can obviously implement caching for getting the services unless until new services are created, right? We can do that. Maybe like later versions will implement it. HX, do you have any idea in game development by C++? I know about C++, but like I never really worked on any game, so I don't know about game development. HX, Lokesh, all good bro. आप बताओ. Okay. लोकेश और इब्राहिम दोनों बोल के गए थे कि सोने जा रहे हैं. They are back. They were not sleeping then. Okay, we have this one stack add-on. How are you implementing hashing? Hashing we are for we are using basically we are storing the password as hash in our database. For example, for user, if you see user, for the password we are using bcrypt for hashing, and this is the password hash. Even if somebody hacks the database, nobody can see the password. And we are also hashing the account number. If you go to the bank detail page, you can see the account number is also encrypted. This is the encrypted account number. So yeah, now let's go for an online course. If this is an online course, let's go for 16th. Oh, okay. Okay, I did not create the availability. Let's go for 9 to 5. Okay. Let's go for copy Monday. Synced. Fine. This is done. This is done. And now if I refresh here, one developer call, 45 minutes call. And let's go for 15th. Let's go for 9:45. And let's give Virat Kohli is booking the call to become a full stack developer. Confirm and pay 500. It should take 500 only. Yeah, it is taking 500. Let's go with UPI. Uh, success at the rate Razorpay. Verify. It is going. It is going. It is going. It is going here. Confirming payment. Okay, the payment is getting confirmed. Finalizing the booking. Okay, booking confirmed. Now if I go here in the bookings part, we have this Virat Kohli just made a booking, and I need to check the email. Just a sec, I'll check the email if we are getting the meeting link or not. If I go to my Gmail, and if I go to my Gmail in the booking part, okay, where did we get the email? No, we did not get the email. Why? We did not get the email. Okay, we did not get the email. We did not get the email. Why? So if I go here now, if we go to booking, and if we see the booking, are we getting the meeting link? See, meeting link is not getting generated. Why? If we come here, worker, Google integration not found. Okay. I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot, man. I'm such an idiot. Seriously. Basically, for this particular organization, I did not create the Google integration. I created for the different organization, right? So I need to create my my Google first, then we'll get the meeting link. Continue. Now it's created. Now if I come here, let's do one thing. We can just delete this booking part. Payment. Where's my payment? Yeah, this is my payment. Delete this, and then booking. Delete this. Delete this, and then if I Abhishek calling Abhishek. Okay. Was working on the model, bro. Okay, using bcrypt. Yep. Lokesh, not getting sleep. Slept too much in afternoon. मैं आज college holiday है, so slept too much. Okay, Lokesh. The Chiragats. Hello, Chirag. Welcome to the stream. Cloud infrastructure, your view. Cloud infrastructure is very important. Ibrahim, I have a huge respect for C and C++ code. Yeah, man. Even I like sometimes I also watch live streams, right? I watch coders building their own operating system using C++ and C. I mean, they are next level. Like I'm nothing in front of them. Abhishek Portal. Hello, Abhishek. Welcome to the stream. Good job, bro. Hi from another Abhishek. Hello, Abhishek. Welcome to the stream. Abhishek already coding. Now Virat Kohli for Mern stack. Abhishek calling Abhishek. Okay, MacDon. Abhishek is the Virat Kohli of the Mern stack. Thanks, MacDon. Thanks. लोकेश कार्तिक कॉलिंग कार्तिक ओके लोकेश आप इडियट नहीं हो आप क्यूटी पाए हो थैंक यू लोकेश पिक्सल dev priyanshu which VS Code theme are you using I'm using Catpuccino. It's Catpuccino. Yep, we have this. Now we come here offline. Let's go for an online course, and if I go here now 11:15. Now let's give which player? Let's give Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma. Email तो मेरा ही होगा. We and in testing I can use only my email. Now in UPI part, let's add this success Razor Pay, verify and pay. Payment is getting processed. Payment is getting processed. Okay, payment has been processed. Booking confirmed. Now if I come here, where is it? Now if I go to my email, just a sec guys, I'll show you the email. We'll check if email we are able to see or not. Just a sec. If I go to my email here, yeah, we are getting the email. We are successfully getting the email, and we are also getting the meeting link. So if you click on this meeting link, then the meeting has been scheduled and we can see the link. All right, so this is done. Now just for my own obsession, like just so that I can sleep peacefully at night, let's do one more booking for an offline service. Offline service, refresh it. This is the offline service, offline course basically, and let's go for 21st. Available times Tuesday. Okay, just a sec, I messed up. Friday, what the hell? 9 and 12. Organization 2. Okay. Ability 9 to 5. Bookings 11:15 a.m. 180-minute call. 180-minute. Okay, we're getting 180 minutes. Why? 180 minutes and 5. Why 180 minutes कितने 60 into 3 3 घंटे 9 10 11. Okay, let's do one thing in the services part. Let's reduce it to 60 minutes or 30 minutes. Let's reduce it to 30 minutes. Save changes, service updated. Now if I go here, refresh, and offline 30 minutes, go here. Yeah, now it is working. Okay, okay, fine, understood. लोकेश कल गेमिंग स्ट्रीम सैटरडे को गेमिंग स्ट्रीम होगा. कल फ्राइडे है आई थिंक. कल फ्राइडे है ना? कल फ्राइडे है क्या? हाँ कल फ्राइडे है. सैटरडे को करेंगे. पिक्सल प्रियांशु थैंक्स ब्रो, वेलकम ब्रो. ये ओके एक सेकंड ये वाला चेक कर लूँ एक बार ताकि मैं रात को ठीक से सो पाऊँ. एंड नाउ लेट्स गो विथ जसप्रीत. बुमराह एंड मेरे ही रहेगा पे 600 UPI सक्सेस रेजर पे verify and pay. Okay, it is loading. It is loading. Finalized. Okay, now if I come here and if I refresh this page, reload. Yeah, see, we got Jasprit Bumrah Monstack offline course. Fine. And if I come here in the booking part, we have this and meeting link. Okay, fine and time. Okay. Done. Done. So this is working absolutely fine. And yeah, now this is working. ब्रो ये क्रोम पे जो बुक मार्क ऑल है वो आते हैं वहाँ आपके ये ट्रांसलूसेंट कैसे है आई मीन वो चेंज किया आपने आई गेस कैसे किया क्रोम में इफ़ आई गो हियर जस्ट अ सेकंड टू चेक आई यूज द थीम इन द थीम ओनली इट इज़ लाइक दिस basically teaching the entire Ibrahim Mohsin Abhishek basically teaching the entire Indian team coding Dhoni Kohli Hitman waiting for Yuvraj and Ganguly okay smash or pass tomorrow we are going for the development part only so yeah bro ये chrome पे ऊपर जो yeah answer that on Rehan what text I used to make it I use Stack Postgres React Node Next.js also those are groups not marks okay नहीं कल सैटरडे आज फ्राइडे ओके अच्छा गॉट इट yes Lokesh Saturday को will do that Macdon why do programmers prefer dark mode because light attract bugs ये सुना हुआ I have heard this joke before okay theme okay why debug you can just start fresh okay it's Catpuccino theme okay so this is done application is working absolutely fine payouts billings all these things and now we have this and light mode dark mode this services let's delete a service again and before I do that let's make these changes this okay so front end components organization component organization this one create workspace okay fine this is like this okay okay just a sec if I go here come here okay it looks nice okay now if I go to service component and create service dialog that button it needs to be pointer setup new service setup create service create service dialog create service and here this button has to be cursor pointer this is hold on yeah you have this and this launch service form create service dialog and launch service button लोकेश अभिषेक ब्रो एक बार बोलो लोकेश अच्छा बच्चा है full stack or data analyst which full stack or data analyst it's completely different path what's your interest गवर्न योरसेल्फ भाई कौन सा एआई आप और कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर बना रहे हो अकेले ही क्या उससे होगा हम लोग क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं हाँ आप लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं एक बार मैं लॉन्च कर दूं ओके सुशांत बस्सी ही इज बिल्डिंग एन अपॉइंटमेंट बिजनेस ओके थैंक्स लोकेश सुशांत बस्सी basically using Claude to code and calling it your code lol yeah like basically we use Claude for debugging part and basically I use Claude code chat GPT code, and I understand those code, then I implement it. And yeah, basically AI is there. Why? Like if you have a car, you can get a driver, right? Driver will drive your car, right? But still you need to keep your eyes on the road so that you can see that driver is driving the car properly or not. Only when driver cannot drive the car, then I'll take the steering wheel in my hand and drive myself. If I have the driver, then why will I, you know, like if I'm here to build my own SaaS. I'm not here to get a job or anything. I'm trying to build my own SaaS, and if I have a driver, if I have AI, then I'm leveraging it. But I still want control of my code. That's why I'm not using AI integrated IDEs. Okay. How many characters there? Eight. Harsh Ketia, what is a business model? It's a SaaS software as a subscription based business model. Freemium model basically. Lokesh. I literally said five times. It's cappuccino theme. Yeah. Okay. But the design template are generic. Uh, there are pre-built templates. Okay. See, design can be changed anytime, and like bro, Abhishek. Nice one, Macdon. That was funny. Leo, hello Abhishek. Hello Leo, welcome to the stream. Yeah, see, design can be, there are lots of tons of design, and there are tons of AI models who can design. So design, I'm just making it so that it can be, like it can actually, users can use it very easily. And to be very honest, I find front end very boring. Ibrahim Mosi, it does not matter how it works, make it work is the idea. Exactly, Ibrahim. Okay, basically what I'm trying to say is AI lacks innovation. See, AI only generates what has already been generated. That's what I'm saying. If you're trying to build something that is never built before, like something new, some new technology, then only you have to, like take the steering wheel in your hand. That's what I'm saying. If AI is there and AI can drive the car, I will only take the steering wheel when AI cannot do something, right? Then only I'll take the steering wheel and try to build something of my own, like without AI, or try to use the logic. Okay, Madam, will you see generative AI? Will you use generative? Not in this SaaS. I use generative AI like in different projects, but not in this project. I think you should trim your beard. In the recent setup IDRO video, it wasn't looking good. Yeah, man, I forgot. Like, actually, I shave my beard once every week, but for the last few weeks, I did not get the time. Harsh, can you elaborate more on the revenue model of this platform? Exactly. See, just a sec. Just a sec. Give me a sec. I'll show you. Hold on. We have this submitting. Where is it? Where is it? Submitting. Finalizing. Button. Launch service button. Launch service. This has to be cursor pointer. Cursor pointer. Here it is cursor pointer now. Yep. Now it is cursor pointer. I did not shave do the last 9 months. Okay. Yeah, I need to shave my beard. Even I was feeling that it's not looking okay. Just a sec. We have to fix these. And here also save changes part. Course updated. It is working. We have done that. Updated. And make it 35 minutes. Save changes. Let's make it again. Would you move the updated part? Make it 30 again and save changes. And here the save changes has to be cursor pointer. Edit service dialog, save changes, and this also has to be cursor pointer. Cursor pointer. We have this save changes. Fine. This is done. Now delete, and this delete button also. We have this, and okay, in my service, where's my service page component? Service page, app, dashboard, service page.tsx, and then here in that delete icon we have this. Okay, just a second, I need to check one more thing. If I a mount stack is offline now, mount stack should not be seen here. Yeah, it is not available. Very good. That's what I wanted to check. If I make it active again, it is visible. Okay, and here also this edit button, edit, delete service, edit service dialog. Okay, button and trash. This button, it has to be cursor pointer. Cursor cursor pointer. Fine. Now we have this. Now let's delete the service. Okay. Delete failed. Why the fuck it fails sometimes? Okay, why do we have this S here? Why do we have this S here? S loading. Where did this S come from? Okay, service in minutes. Why is delete failing? Okay, log out. We have this here. Okay. Hold on. Where are we getting that S? Services. Okay. See, there is a bug. You have to solve that test. User2 at the rate gmail.com. Test user2 login service. Delete. Delete failed. Why it is failing? And it is a Prisma issue. Okay. So service cannot be deleted before. Hold on. Come here. On delete cascade I have to do. Just a sec. Service, where is it? Service. Here. We have this. For example, if I try to delete this. Okay, this is the issue. Now I got it. Booking service on table. If we have a booking, we cannot delete the service. If we have a booking, we cannot delete the service, right? That is the issue. So if I delete the booking payment, let's just see, just to make this logic very clear. This delete this payment. Now go to booking. We have this booking. Now if I come here and delete this, now if I go here, there are no bookings. These are the services. Now the service can be deleted. See, now the service will get deleted. Okay. So if we have a booking, we cannot delete the service. Now we have to think from a business perspective that if there is a pending booking, can a user delete the service as a business? Will that be a fraud to the customer? We have to think about that. What are you building? I'm building an appointment booking SaaS. How's great? You skipped revenue model. Yeah, exactly. I'll show you the revenue model. Basically, the revenue model is this freemium model. We have a free version where a business can come and create organization, create the services. They can get the booking, but with each booking, for example, if a customer books a booking, then for 500 rupees, if a customer is making the booking, if the business is using a free version of the SaaS, then we'll cut 8% of that booking fee as a platform fee, and remaining amount will go to the business. That is for the free version. And if a business does not want to give that 8% to us, then they can go for the premium profile, like the pro model, where it's a six triple, like it's not the fixed price. Like in future I can change this price, but it's the business can pay me around 700 rupees every month, and then the platform will not charge any money. Like if a customer books 500 rupees appointment, the business will get exactly 500 rupees in a bank account. Okay. Mugiwara, bro, do you have any idea about how to start cybersec? Actually, Mugiwara, I have never worked with cybersecurity, so I don't have any idea about it. I think Ibrahim Mohsin is one of the members, subscribers in this channel. He's a he's into cybersecurity. You can ask him. Okay. हाँ, कोडिंग में मजा तो आता है. गवर्नर लाइक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना ही लाइक कोडिंग का सबसे मेजर पार्ट है. But see, why is this s कहाँ से आ रहा है भाई? ये s कहाँ से आ रहा है? I have to see. I think maybe in the page part we made something. Hold on, where is this s coming from? I have to see. Just a sec. This s is coming from where? Inspect. Where is this s coming from? Body s. Body. This s. Okay. Hold on. Maybe in layout dashboard. Layout. Yeah, here. We are getting this s from here. Okay, now this is done. Okay, dashboard. Sushan Basi, the module was a birthday party booking system specifically for booking soccer fields as venues, not restaurants. Users can book a field and organize birthday parties there. Okay, similarly, field booking system for matches. Okay, where the customer can book that field. Okay, okay. Hello, are you employed somewhere or do you work as a freelancer? I work as a freelancer. I had a job. I left my job 2 months back. Okay. Even I am working on a product right now. It is in marketing phase. Okay, Sushan Basi, what are you trying to build? So we have this. Okay, this is done. This is done. Okay, so I think major issue is done. We have made authentication a bit secure. Then complete dashboard page and components. Implement payout feature. This payout feature can only be done. Just a sec. This payout feature can only be done after registration. Let's make it a star. 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 Okay. So next target is complete dashboard page. Okay. So basically now in this dashboard part, we have to think what are the dashboard statistics that can help, right? What does integration do? This integration, we can actually connect our Google Calendar, and then like the meeting will be generated if it's a offline, or if it's an online meeting, then meeting link and a scheduled meeting Google Calendar event will be sent to the customer's email ID, so that customer can directly have the appointment, online appointment with the user, with the business basically. What I'm trying to, I'll just show you just a sec. For example, if a user books, if a user books something, and if they go to the, after booking and making the payment, they will receive the meeting link in their, just a sec, they will receive the meeting link in their email. So for this entire flow we have to integrate Google Calendar and Google Meet. So this is what this does. So yeah, that's what it does. How's Ghetia? SaaS or pass? It's a SaaS. Okay, so we have this now. Now let's commit the code. We have this. This is not required. Dashboard theme wrapper is not required. Close this. Close this. Okay. Front end. Close this. Components. We made changes. Okay. Fine. We have this now. All right. We go here. Clear. We have this. And then we have this. Fine. We have this one. Now we can make the git commit. Okay. This need the authentication. Okay, we need to implement refresh, login, forgot password and login password as well. That will do tomorrow. Okay. Okay, fine. Tomorrow, task for tomorrow. Task for 426. Number one, implement forgot password, reset password, and forgot password, that we have to implement. Okay, close this. Fine, this is done. Made the authentication more secure. Authentication more secure. What else we did? We made authentication more secure and added refresh token table in the DB. Done. Commit. The following has unsaved token. Okay. Hold on. What is the issue? What the hell is the issue here? Commit and all. Just a sec. Yeah. Add these. File added. The following file has unsaved changes. Okay. Following file has unsaved changes. Which one? Auth token.ts. Okay. So frontend lib auth token.ts. What the hell is this unsaved changes? What the hell is this? What the hell is wrong with this? Just go out of this and let's make it here. Get status. Get status. We have what we have. Auth token modified. Git add all. Now status auth token added. Git commit dash m add made the authentication more secure by adding refresh token model refresh token table in the DB and refresh token logic. We made this commit. Then git push to origin. Git push to origin from main. Push the code. So code has been pushed. Yes, code has been pushed. So now if I come here, close this, close this, close this, close this is also done, close this, and now if I come here and if I go to GitHub, by Baji, how long did it take you to learn that all? Actually, I started my programming journey when I was in class 11 and I was 16 or 17 years old. There I started with C++. Then I got into web development in 2020 and I started with Python Django. Then eventually I got into Java Spring Boot, and then now I'm working with Mon JavaScript ecosystem. We have this backend, media authentication. Let's just see the code. SRC modules, auth, auth service, auth service. Okay, fine. Auth controller. Okay. Then in my lib part, utils part, is it utils. This is my utils part, and this is my jwt.ts and jwt secret. Okay, fine. This is working absolutely fine. And just in the front end part, I'll just check my lib auth token. It is access token. Yeah, correct. It is working. So this is done. Now let's just check my Twitter. This is my Twitter. Anything interesting in Twitter going on? WhatsApp class action alleges Meta third parties access private message without consent. Can't trust WhatsApp. Okay, Dixit Jain. Okay, junior level cooking a cook thing. Okay, Andre is judging by my TL. There is a growing gap in understanding of AI capability. The first reason I think is around decent and tire use of tier of a tier of use. I think a lot of people tried the free tier of ChatGPT somewhere last year and it allowed to inform their views on AI a little too much. There's a group of reaction laughing at various of course the models, hallucination, etc. Yes, I also saw the OpenAI's voice model fumbling since simple queries like should I drink, drive or walk or the car wash. The thing is the free and old deprecated models don't reflect the capability in the latest round of state models, especially OpenAI Codex and Cloud Code. But that brings me to the second issue. Even if the people pay 200 months to use the state of their model, a lot of capabilities are a little peaky in their high technical areas. Typical queries around search, writing, advice, etc., are not the domain that is okay. Partly due to this technical detail. HX chat missed. What was the chat? Just a sec. Um, HX, what was the chat? How is the climate in India, bro? In Sri Lanka, like we are in the oven. Actually, I'm from East India, West Bengal, from that area, and here now the weather is quite. It is raining. It is rain like for last 2 days. It has been raining, so now the weather is a bit little better. But yeah, like summer, we have difficult summer here, like too warm here. But right now it is raining, so the weather is quite pleasant here. Okay. In Sri Lanka, it is too hot right now. HX. Are you near Manali? No, 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 not near Manali. I'm near uh like West Bengal. West Bengal. Just a sec. I'll show you the map. Indian map. Where? Just a sec. Indian map. Basically this part. If you go this part, this region. I'm from here. This is West Bengal. I'm from here. Okay, okay, yeah. How much was your package when you were an employee? My package was not that great. It was around the tax slab. That's all I can say. Okay, let's compare. Which compare all the AI coding agents. 2026 code gen. Okay, let's see. Yeah, my Discord servers link in the description of the stream. You can join there. My compare. Okay, how in which benchmark we are comparing it? Code gen. Okay, just a sec. How is cursor 3? Cursor 3. Cursor 3 versus Cloud Code versus Codex versus Copilot versus Anti-Gravity. Versus Anti-Gravity. Is it? Is there any benchmark testing? What is the leading software company in India nowadays? Leading software company in India. Service based you're talking about? In service based, we have um Cognizant, TCS, service based companies. Cab, TCS basically. TCS is an Indian company, and Infosys. Basically, if you want to talk about the Indian origin companies, we have TCS and Infosys, and we have Zoho. Zoho is also an Indian company, and it is a product based company, and it is emerging a lot. Claude Mythos Abhishek. Claude Mythos, Claude Capybara, search about that. Abhishek and please Discord. Okay, yeah, sure. Let's check the Discord also. I'll check my Discord. Start here. Build something new. Okay, where is the resources? Perfect AI is impossible. Okay. YouTube. I cannot open the YouTube link because I get copyright here. I'll check it after the stream. In feedback, what do we? Okay. Regret pen test. Okay, nice. Go hack yourself. Resume assessment. Nice. So blade work that I showed yesterday will be integrated with this. Okay. Nice, nice. How are you building it? You have this. Sushant, fun fact, West Side, use Shopify Plus, okay, when they have TCS, lol. Okay. Would you go with Cloud Core or Codex or Cursor or Anti-Gravity Pro Plan? Hello everyone, okay, let's see. I personally love Cloud Code with skills, so that this is where I would invest in a Pro Plan. You can a decent. Guys, tell me in the chat if you wanted to go for a AI coding agent. Would you go for Cloud Code, Cursor, Codex, or Anti-Gravity? Like, tell me which coding agent would you prefer? Ibrahim, it's a complex architecture. I will tell you in DM. Okay, yeah, sure, Ibrahim, you can tell me. Dusra, you are missing the subsidized phase of AI. There are many free models on OpenRouter. Use them with Cloud Code. OpenRouter has removed many free models that were actually good. Still some refund. Okay, Ibrahim was in Codex any given day. Codex. Okay. Claude 100%. Codex anti-gravity. Ayn Khan says anti-gravity. Ibrahim, Claude rates are shit. Okay. Codex is also free for a limited time. Anti-gravity sucks. Okay. Claude or Codex. Basically, today I installed Olama in my system. Actually, today I installed Olama and I wanted to, do Olama pull gamma 4 slash E4B. And I wanted to do that, but I did not do because first I want to be very sure. And if you can see in my download folder, today I actually downloaded Codex, this one Codex installer, but I did not implement it. Claude, okay, Codex. See, Codex is great for heavy coding. Yeah, actually I downloaded Codex, but I did not install it yet. Basically, I want to experiment with these models. Codex, Claude. I want to experiment with it. Different opinion, okay? You can do heavy coding with $20 Cloud Code plan. Okay. Okay. I think you can do heavy coding with Cloud Code plan. You fine. So that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to experiment with different coding models. So that's why I'm researching a bit now. Okay. Just a sec. By the way, this is my Twitter. If anybody is interested, they can follow me on Twitter as well. 26. What software are you building, by the way? I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS. Ibrahim and Ayan Khan are fighting with each other a lot. Okay. All right, everyone. I think I'll wrap up now. And do let me know, like in my Discord, which one should we go for, Cloud Code or Codex? Because I think that most of the competition is between Cloud Code and Codex. So do let me know like which model should I experiment with, because if I'm investing my time, I want to invest my time in the best model, best agent, coding agent. So that's why do let me know like according to you which is better. I'll do my own research, but you can give your opinion as well. Check Connect Hub, post later. Okay, Connect Hub. Yeah, by the way, guys, Connect Hub is my own social media application. If anybody's interested, they can use this application. I built it on my own. Like, if you go to my streams and you see my first ever stream, that's we were building this social media application. You can use it. By the way, I have not bought any domain now. Superman. Okay, nice. Please, okay. Nice. Okay. Fine. Did you see Claude source code leak news? Yeah, yeah, HX, I saw. Okay. Alright, everyone. I think I'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining the stream. I'm posting too much. Yeah, Lokesh, post. Social media is for posting. You can post, no issues. Alright, everyone. I think I'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining the stream. If you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. And like we are almost towards the end of this SaaS, because MVP version is almost complete, and the next major update for the payout will be after I register my business. So for next few streams, we are just going to fix the bugs, and we'll try to make the landing page. Okay, I completely forgot. I need to build the landing page as well. So in the next few streams, we'll build the landing page. And yeah, so don't forget to like the stream and drop a like. If you are new to the stream and you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed the stream, do consider liking the stream. And I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye and good night. Ibrahim Mohsin, good night. Good night, bro. Good night. Lokesh, good night, Lokesh. Do you implement the dashboard? Yes, for the SaaS, we have implemented the business side dashboard, but we also need my own admin dashboard that we need to implement. But those are the things I'll implement when business has been registered. Good night, bro. Good night, HX. Good night. Good night, Ibrahim Mohsin. Good night, Lokesh. Realme. Why do not you UD? What is UD? Joker, I mentioned landing page. You missed my chat. Oh, Joker Phoenix, I missed your chat. I'm so sorry, man. Okay, landing page. Okay. Yeah, we have to implement landing page. So in the next streams, next few streams, we'll build a landing page. And landing page is where most of the conversion happens. This is where normal people become customers. So we have to implement landing page very seriously. Like we have to make it really good. So that's what we'll be doing in the next streams. Lo, Joker Phoenix, good night, bro. Good night, Joker Phoenix. Why don't you use Mac? Because I don't have Mac. In future, if I'm able to buy it, I'll go for it. Okay. Alright, everyone. Alright, we'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll